Hi, I'm Pooja's dad and I'm going to show you my special tea.
Don't be so stiff. Hi guys, so today I want to talk to you about my obsession with chai and coffee. I don't know what you guys prefer, but I love both. I wake up in the morning and I need my cup of coffee, and then through the day, depending on how hard the day is, I'll either have more coffee, but 4 o'clock is time for chai. I've been drinking it for years. Actually, I learned how to make my first real cup of chai from my father, and I thought today I'll bring him on board to teach you his special recipe. There is technique, there is a way. I know everyone makes their own chai in a very special way, but this is how he makes it in our house, and this has inspired many cakes in my life, and hopefully I'll share a recipe for that cake very soon. So what do we do first?
First we'll we'll make 3 cups.
Yeah.
Water.
What according to you makes chai special?
The lemongrass and the ginger.
Lemongrass and the ginger. And you always make chai like this?
Yeah. Now you put in the lemongrass and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes.
How many cups of chai do you drink in a day?
6, 7.
6, 7, but you drink very little.
Half,
Yeah, you drink like 3, 4 sips.
Cutting chai.
Cutting chai. What is it that you don't like in chai at all?
Don't like.
1 hour later.
I mean, it's good. I mean, nothing.
Do you
is-
like elaichi? Do you put elaichi in your chai?
Yeah, we can put elaichi,
But you don't
sometimes if I don't have lemongrass, then I put elaichi. Substitute ginger. You boil it again, or continue boiling for another 4-5 minutes. Okay, now we add 1 cup milk. Tea, this chai patti. So you put
What
Okay,
brand of
cups.
chai patti do you like to use?
DuPont red label. Okay, now 1,
That wasn't sponsored.
2, 3. Okay. Now let this boil again for 5 minutes.
How long does this take once you've added the chai patti?
About 3-4 minutes, but you have to keep on stirring, so that it cooks. We do this so that it doesn't, go
Boil.
all of the.
So you control the boil.
Yeah, you just keep on doing this so it won't fall off, and will cook well.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is how we make chai in our homes. I hope you liked it. Please let us know how you make chai in your homes. Comment below. And if you like this video, then
Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, he knew it. I didn't have to tell him.
I do it every day.